Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and this is what it takes nowadays to be able to get graphics cards. I'm going to go meet up with a guy that's got a 2070 Super Founders Edition. It's a little bit more than I want to pay. Let me roll up my window here. Sorry about all that wind noise. My air conditioning's a little weak in this, but yeah, 2070 Super Founders Edition, so, you know, good looking, solid card. He said no issues with it, used it lightly for the last couple years, and he just upgraded to a 3070. He was asking 700. I got him down to 600. I don't think he's going to take any less, even if I flash some money in front of him, because he said he's got quite a few people bugging him if I didn't want it, just to let him know. But at $600, that puts it right around $14 per mega hash, which is expensive, but doable. I'd say my new rule of thumb, me and the guys were talking about it over in the Discord, under $15 a mega hash, I'd probably buy stuff, depending on if it's a good quality card. Now, I don't want to go buy some junky knockoff OEM cards for $15 a mega hash, but now some Founders Edition, or some MSI Gamings, or I mean, even like the Gigabyte Aurorus card, or is it Aurorus? I don't know, something like that. I like those cards too. You know, anything mid or upper tier. So no base model Zotacs or nothing like that. But stuff that'll have resale value if I do need to sell it, you know, later on, like to gamers and that kind of thing. So let's go grab this card and see what it looks like, and see how it does. Later. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just did the deal, and man, these 20 series Founders Edition cards with them like mirrored, they're good looking cards. So this one looks like it's been fairly taken care of. I believe him that he was a gamer. He was like, I didn't mind on it, bro. I didn't mind on it. I wouldn't have cared if he mined on it anyway. It doesn't matter to me. But gamers typically don't keep the boxes to their graphics cards. But almost every miner I know has all the boxes. So he was like, I don't have the box, blah, 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 blah. You know, I ended up getting the card for 600 bucks. Now let's go plug it in and see what kind of ROI time we're looking at. But I love the way this thing looks. It does take an 8-pin and a 6-pin on top. So she's going to need a little bit of power. All right, guys, she is in. She's in a hodgepodge rig right now because I don't have actually any 20 series cards. It's sitting beside two 30 series and then two 10 series. So 1070, 1060, 2070, 3070, 3060. But this should be fine. We're running all this on Hive. Let's go get her dialed in. All right, there she is, guys. 2070 Super, 43.3 mega hash, currently at 94 watts. I have the core at 1100, memory at 2000. My power limit's at 125, but since I'm running 1100 core at absolute core clock, you just type in 1100 and it'll change it over to absolute core clock. It lets that bad boy run even lower, so 94 watts, and she's at 60 degrees. I do have the fan set at 100% just for the fun of it. By the way, this one that's at 82 right there, that is a 1060 with one broken fan, so I need to fix that fan. She's a little hot. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, RTX 2070 Super. Let's figure out that ROI. All right. So we made it back to the computer. I hope everybody's having a great day. And now let's talk about these 2070 Super. So are these a good card for mining? Yeah, they're pretty decent. Are they good at $600+? They're getting away from what I would recommend buy. Now, why did I buy this one? I had some money burning a hole in my pocket. It popped up, and I'm a sucker for Founders Edition cards. And I'll show you why, because there's not a ton of Founders Edition, especially these 20 series out here floating around in my area or even online. So let me flip on over here and let's talk about the ROI time, and then we'll see where you can actually get them at. So right there we are. We're on What to Mine, and a 2070. They don't have the 2070 Supers on here, but they mine almost identical to a 2070. 43 mega hash, all the other, you know, stuff's on there too. Kapow 21 mega hash, Octopus 37. So you're looking at about $3.33 a day before power on Ethereum. At my power rate, I'm gonna profit right at $3 a day on a 2070 Super. So, you know, I got it for 600 bucks. It's gonna take 200 days to ROI that. Yes, is that a majority? You know, that's 2/3 of a year. But potentially, if values go up, it could be less. If values go down, it could be longer. We used to joke back in the day, and we were like, if a card's under a year ROI, it's a good buy. That was kind of the thing we were saying 2-3 years ago, and now we're complaining about something ROIing in two-thirds of a year. Most people are shooting for like 1/3 of a year, like 100-day ROI. Now it is fairly decent on Ravencoin. It's doing $3.02 a day on Ravencoin, and going further down, what else is it? It's Swap, Kuckaroo 29. It's doing 294 on that, and Firo 276 on Firo. So it can mine a couple different things. It's not just limited to Ethereum. NiceHash says that they're estimating the 2070 Super at $3.22 a day, so pretty close to what to mine. And now, if you go over to eBay and you try to find one, 2070 Super, sort from lowest to highest, buy it now. The cheapest one's $539. That's a scam. If you click on it, it doesn't load. Further down, that's like a laptop video card, Alienware. What is that? Yeah, that's like a... That's meant to be in a laptop, so that doesn't have any use for us. It looks like the cheapest legit 2070 Super online, you're going to pay $710 for it, and then they just go up from there. Now, if you actually want a Founders Edition, you're looking more along the lines of 800 plus. The Founders Edition, in my opinion, were really, really solid build quality in this generation. Really like them. They don't have the blower design on any of them, and they don't suffer from the problems of the 10 series where the blowers would basically kind of get gunked up and overheat all the time. These things are just little workhorses. So great cards for mining on. You can get them tuned down on power. It's everything is all about what you can acquire it at. What is your acquisition cost? How much did you have to pay for it? If you have to pay more than 600 or 650 bucks, I'd say probably avoid these cards. Try to get these less than 600. If you can get them into the 400 range, that is perfect. It's optimal. That's what you want. But it is what it is. Sometimes we can't always win. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. 200-day ROI is what I just got in my farm. Oh well. Later, guys. Peace.